I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on trigonometry. Let us begin with introduction to trigonometry, what we should know before getting into trigonometry. Well, one of the topics here is similar triangles, and based on the similar triangles concept, here is a question for you. The question is, in the triangle ABC, find the length x and y if angle ABC equals to angle ADE. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. You can also check my website for the latest videos. In case you need to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. Now, before we begin with trigonometry, we should review some concepts. In this example, we are going to review concepts about similar triangles. To solve this question, what you need to do is to find two triangles which are similar, use the properties of similar triangles to solve for the unknowns x and y. What are we given? We're given that this angle here, ADE, is equal to angle ABC. So I hope that is a good hint to begin with. Now it should be simple to solve this question. Let's look into this concept of similar triangles. Since we are given that the angle ABC is equals to ADE, that is this angle ABC is equals to ADE, we can see that the triangle, which is the smaller triangle ADE, is similar to triangle ABC. Since we know that the angle ABC is equals to angle ADE, that is given to us, right? And we have a common angle, which is angle A, right? That angle A is common, right? You can write this as EAC. So that is the common angle. So the two triangles are similar based on the property of angle, correct? So that is how you can show that the two triangles are similar. Now, when the triangles are similar, they have proportionate sides. Now, write down the proportionate sides and then solve for x and y. Perfect. So I hope this is now much more simpler. So I like you to pause at this stage, write down your equation for the proportionate sides in similar triangles, solve for x and y, and then check with my values. Here is my solution. So as I was saying, the triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE since we know that the two angles at D and B are equal, and we also know that angle A is common angle, right? So this angle is common, and therefore they are similar. Since the two triangles are similar, we can write the proportionate sides and then calculate the unknowns. ED, see how do we write the proportionate sides? ED is opposite to the common angle A in smaller triangle. In the bigger triangle, it is BC whose value is 18. So ED over BC is equals to AE over AC. A to E is the side opposite to the same angles given to us. And for the bigger triangle, the side opposite to the same angle is A to C, right? So we have written A to C. Now the third side ratio, AD and AB, should be also equal to the same. So these ratios are equal. Substituting the values, we know ED is X, BC is 18, A is 6, AC. A to C is sum of 8 and Y. So we have written 8 plus Y here. 8 is AD, and then A to B is sum of 6 and 14. So add them up. When you add them up, you do get 8 over 20. So these ratios, x over 18 is equals to 8 over 20. And also, we know that the other ratio, which is 6 over 8 plus y, is equals to 8 over 20. Now, the only unknown from these two equations is x and y. You can cross multiply and solve. For example, in the case of x is equals to 18 times 8 over 20, and that gives you the value of x as 7.2, right? Well, you could have simplified 8 over 20, writing this as 2 over 5. Perfect. Now, so 6 over 8 plus y is equals to 2 over 5. So we can now cross multiply 6 times y. 5 is equals to 2 times 8 plus y. Well, dividing by 2, 6 times 5, we get 15 is equals to 8 plus y. And therefore, y is 15 minus 8, which is 7. So we get our answer, which is x is 7.2 and y is 7. You see how to solve such a question. So the concept of similar triangles is very important to begin with. Another important concept is right triangles. I'd like you to practice with some questions based on similar triangles and right triangles before getting into the details of trigonometry. I hope that makes sense. So with that, we can solve a question as given here. Feel free to write your comments, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.